joined this here army to join in the fun, a jabbing the Jap and hunting the Hun. And look at the job that they hand out to me. KP. 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 And KP. Policing the camp or the trouble that's mine. You get through with this, then they stand you in line. They jab you for this, and they jab you for that. Ah! Oh! If you're asking me, it's a pain in the prat. If I ran this army, boy, I'm telling you, I'd make a few changes. That's just what I'd do. Say, who in the bloomin' blue blazes are you?
Technical ferry. First class. I heard you saying that everything stank, that you'd run things different if you had more rank. So as technical ferry, I got a good notion to give you a chance, pal. Here's a promotion. Ah, shucks, have another. You're Master Sarge, Super Sarge, hoopity-doo. You're boss of the works. Now take over, Snafu.
Important announcement. Attention, each tent. This camp is now run under new management. Relaxation. More money. These are my aims, a new GI issue. Each guy gets 2 days.
Hooray for Snafu, gives us all limousines. No more drill, no salutes.
No more cleaning latrines.
Look me over, Jackson. This is really en route. Snafu lets you dress up in a suit that is zoot.
Ain't this swell? I fixed things. I told you I could. What a camp. No more discipline. Boy, am I good.
I beg pardon, sir, but you hear all that humming? I got a suspicion. The Germans are coming!
The Joymans? The Joymans? I'll murder them poops. Let me at them Joymans. Say, where are my troops? Troops! Troops!
Ah, nuts!
No use, they ain't trained and they got no morale. Your army's a washout, my fine-footed pal. Moral, Snafu, is the harder you work, the sooner we're gonna beat Hitler, that jerk.